In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts in Outlook. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly, so you can manage your different email accounts all in one place without any hassle. To start, you'll need to locate the profile icon in Outlook, which is positioned at the top right corner of your screen. It's a small circle or picture representing your current account profile. By clicking on this icon, you'll be presented with several options. Keep your focus on the list and select the option that says sign in with a different account. This is your entry point to adding more accounts. Once you've selected sign in with a different account, Outlook will guide you through the process with on-screen prompts. These instructions are designed to be user-friendly, but let's go through them together to ensure you're 100% clear about what to expect. You'll likely encounter a prompt to enter the email address of the new account you wish to add. Carefully type in this email address, making sure there are no typos, as accuracy is vital for proper configuration. After entering your email address, the screen will prompt you to enter the password associated with that account. It's important to ensure you have your credentials ready, so you won't be delayed by searching for password information. Should you have any issues recalling the password, most email services offer a quick way to reset it, so keep that in mind. Upon entering your credentials, you might receive a security prompt or verification step, depending on the email service provider. This is simply to ensure the security of your account. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete this process. After you've successfully signed in, Outlook will link this new account, integrating it with the existing ones you've previously configured. This integration allows for seamless switching between accounts, providing a streamlined email management experience. At this stage, take a few minutes to explore your newly added account within Outlook. Familiarize yourself with the interface, check your inbox, and ensure that all emails and folders are appearing as expected. Remember, this process can be repeated to add yet another account by following the same steps, which is particularly beneficial if you have multiple email addresses to manage. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new account to Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful for those who juggle personal and professional emails or have various projects requiring separate communication chains. With all your emails in one place, you can enjoy the convenience of having consolidated details right at your fingertips. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now proficient in managing multiple accounts in Outlook. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free